Hi everyone, we're going to differentiate this polynomial, and whenever we have a polynomial where the x's and y's are not separated, for example here, we need to use implicit differentiation to find the derivative. So let's get started, and the first thing we're going to do is take the derivative. This would be step 1. Take the derivative of everything with respect to x. So we have 2x. I'm going to take the derivative, and I'm just going to say the derivative of x with respect to x. And just remember that dx over dx, that equals 1. So I'm just multiplying it by 1. Okay, so then you do minus 2, and this is 2 times x times y, so it's going to be 2, and the x is going to be derivative of y with respect to x plus y, and then we're going to put derivative of x with respect to x plus 6y, derivative of y with respect to x, and this is going to equal 0. Alright, so basically when you have these two in here, your differentiation with y here and with x here. Kind of separate them out. Okay? So now we're going to simply simplify and put all the terms containing dy, dx together on one side and all the other terms on the other side. So basically what we're going to get is 2x minus 2x dy over dx minus 2y plus 6y derivative of y with respect to x equals 0. So basically remember this was just 1 and this was just 1. So I took it back out. Now I'm going to keep these on the left hand side, so I have negative 2x derivative of y with respect to x, and I'm going to do this one plus 6y derivative of y with respect to x. Now I'm going to move these two guys over on the right hand side, so I'm going to get 2y, I'm adding 2y, and I'm subtracting 2x. So it's going to be minus 2x. Now we're going to factor out the derivative of y with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x, and then that's going to be negative 2x plus 6y. And then that's going to equal, and I'd rather rewrite this as 6y minus 2x. I don't like to lead, so I'm going to put him first. 6y minus 2x equals 2y minus 2. Now all you do now is divide both sides by 6y minus 2x. So what we get is derivative of y with respect to x equals 2y minus 2x divided by 6y minus 2x, and if I factor out a 2, I'm going to get 2 times y minus x, and I'll put a 2 here, and you're going to get 3y minus x. So the 2's cancel, so your final answer would be y minus x divided by 3y minus x. And that's your final answer. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.